That heat is not nice. It's a vlog day. Hi guys, it's me again. It's me. And guess what we're doing today? I look cutesy guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your girl Kimmy Bear and I'm back. I feel so good because today it's hot, guys. Like today is like what? It's 33 degrees. 33 degrees. Check up. 33 degrees. It's fuming hot. Like it is so hot. Even the air is hot. It's hot. But guess what? It's hot, but we're still gonna go outside. Right now I'm going to play tennis with Sean, and then after tennis we're gonna go we're gonna go to the beach in Saltwater, and then after that we're gonna go have some lunch. Let me show you guys my outfit. I'll put you guys here. So that's my outfit, and right now I'm just going to I need to go to Żabka, and then when I get to Żabka, I need to get a few stuff like water, energy drink, probably ice. They do sell like mini ice. So let's go. My bus is in 10 minutes, so I really don't have time. Yeah.
Ever since I left the city, you doing me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong.
Guys, it's so hot. And I need to wear my glasses. Oh. They don't have the flavor I want. Okay, I'm running against time now. Okay, I couldn't get my stuff. I'm gonna go to the other Żabka because I'm running out of time. And my bus is about to come. For now I do have iced water in my bag, so I think that's gonna do me justice for now. My trip is 14 minutes, so yeah.
That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out.
I'm trying to get some drinks for myself, like water. But the drunker does not have cold water at all. Even their energy drink, I want probably this one. But it's not cold. It's too hot, guys. It is too hot. I'm asking Sean how many Żabkas he has, because the one I just saw is closed and I don't want to go outside again. It's so cool in here, so
No, it gets better, even in the rain. You gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad, the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, Rockefeller. I put the me to you and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
I would take the stars out of the sky for you. There's nothing in this
girl for me. You're the only girl I need. Yeah. I will take the stars out of the sky for you. There's nothing that you're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. Yeah. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. Yeah. I will take the
Guys, it is so hot. Like, it's so hot. Really, really hot. And we're playing in the sun. Well, guess what? This is the summer I asked for, and you know, I got it. So, we're done with our game. And now we're gonna go to the beach. Yeah, I really enjoyed this session. Like, I'm really bad. I'm not really bad. If I put more practice into it, I would actually do well. If I actually put more practice, I'd actually do well. And then, yeah, I'm pretty good with sports, so I have confidence in myself. Because if you're not gonna have confidence for yourself, who will? You know? So it'd be like, yeah. So now our game is done. We didn't really play the whole hour because it's quite hot. We're gonna come later on in the afternoon, but I have work, so we're gonna go to the beach and then just cool off, you know, get some ice cream, get some water, and yeah. Anyways, I wanted to call a very someone. Guys, did I tell you guys I lost my... I didn't, because I was so mad. I lost my charger. I want my Wuyu. Wow, nah, not right now. Somewhere I like this lighting. It's really good. Really cute, say. My thing is on 16%. Oh, I want to do this sound. The sound. Now we're going to the beach. Even in the tram, it's not helping anything. Today drained me. Make a trip to Energylandia. Don't need external people. I have a bone to pick with her too. She did me so dirty, Sean. She did me so. You know, I was.
If it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out.
She lied. I have a bone to pick with her. I have a bone to pick with you.
You could have just told me, like, it's not a problem. You could have just said, oh, no, I'm graduating.
I feel like she knew all along.
She did, right?
And then she, I was also shocked.
I was like, wait, fine, guys. If we ever meet again.
Nah, you know, I gave her flowers. I was like, nah, it's cool though. I ain't gonna hold you, but I got a bone
But
to
it was
pick.
always like that. It was just trust you.
I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. That's what
Got strawberry and bubblegum. Bubblegum is on the top, strawberries at the bottom. Ooh.
This is nice. This is nice.
Enjoy yourself. Try yourself.
Make you lose anything when you do, they must comment it. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. Plenty so far with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one buy.
Can you hear the jet skis from here? Now,
Next time, we're going jet skiing. No, but you know what, John?
come here.
End of the month, during the course of July, we need to find a weekend where we go and come jet skiing
For
with the other guys.
For July.
We'd have to talk to them and see what they said. It was so hot today. It is still hot. I think now the degrees just went down just a bit. Woo! Now we're just gonna chill. We're done with the beach. Hey guys, so now I'm headed home. Hey guys, please don't mind. Like, this is a glueless wig that I'm wearing and I didn't put any glue to it. So if you see it, acting funny, forget about it. Day is done. Now I need to go home. I have a shift by 8 for 2 hours overtime. Oh yeah, someone gotta get that bag and also be outside, Ish, please don't mind about this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be 30 minutes late for my shift, but it's okay. I still have fun. Everybody uzo. Everybody uzo. Lazi ganjan uma.
Seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I was grown now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste. I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't